I need a big boy. I need a big boy. Big boy.
Yeah, Barry. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. We got to go to McDonald's. It's closed.
Wait. I have to stretch.
Kitty, it's Kitty. It's closed.
Okay, let's go.
It's closed. You know what? We will break through. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, this is a lot of work to go through. Oh my God, Grimace!
Grimace. Skibbity toilet. Can we watch some Skibbity toilet today?
Yeah, we can watch some Skibbity toilet and later.
Tralalero, tralala, orcalero, orcala, cacto, hipopótamo, cocofanto, elefanto, bombardiro, crocodilo, spioniro, golubiro. Tralalero, tralala, orcalero, orcala, cacto, hipopótamo, cocofanto, elefanto, bombardiro, crocodilo, spioniro, golubiro. Tralalero, tralala, orcalero, orcala, cacto, hipopótamo, cocofanto, elefanto, bombardiro, crocodilo.
Go to the litter box.
What the heck? This door is supposed to be closed. Let me see. What is that noise? Hey, what the? You're under arrest.
Why? Skibbity toilet, please save me!
No, you're stealing. You're stealing. Look, you're stealing.
I just want.
You're stealing.
I just want. I just want.
You're such a fat. You're so bad. You're so bad that you need to go to jail.
Grimace, please! Grimace, please! Grimace, please!
So big.
Can't get in here. You can't get in here. It's the woman's restroom. Wait, why urinal in here?
Hey, there's Skibbity toilet. There's Skibbity toilet outside.
Where? Where? Skibbity dot dot dot. Yes.
Hey,
Skibbity dot dot
Get your fat self over here! Get your fat self over here! Get your fat self over here! You're so fat, you broke the core! Bring arrest! Hey!
Why?
Skibbity toilet handcuffs! Dang! You're so fat that it can't even fit you!
I have to wash my hands!
Okay, yes.
Safety first. I'm hiding. I'm hiding. You can't see me.
What is that?
That's a burger. I'm saving it for later. Ow!
Stop eating salt. Hey. Come here,
Don't worry,
boy.
I'm gonna use my flash power. I'm gonna use my flash power.
Hey, okay.